What up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am taking care of 3 things that needs to get fixed on the Honda Civic. So the first thing I'm gonna do is change the oil because my oil pressure is very low right now. Also, I'm going to rotate all 4 tires on the Honda Civic. This means a major rotation because I've been driving the heck out of this car. And last but not least, I am fixing the paint chips on the Honda Civic Si, especially the hood section. So when I got this car painted, they did not paint the hood. For some odd reason, I do not know. They painted everything else except the hood. A OEM paint pen. So I picked this off a line, and this is Albuster Silver Metallic. So that's the same color as my car right here. So yes, we're gonna fix everything that's in the front. So hopefully we can fix that simple issue because I want to get my car really dialed in before the summer comes and get ready for these car shows. So before you jump into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my updates. And let's go. Alright, so I got both of the tires off. So what I'm gonna do is to take the back tire and put it in the front, and take the front tire and put it in the back. Very simple. I'm trying to do this simple as possible. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to wipe it down with some Meguiar's right quick, and then after that we're going to wipe it down with rubbing alcohol to get off the extra dirt, and then we're going to start using the paint pen to knock down these cracks. I tell you what, some things in life doesn't come out like you expect. So I tried using this right here. Now, I know people gonna say you might did something wrong, which I did. And I tried to repair some of these dents that are on the hood. Some spots I did get, but some spots are like, I'm not liking it how it's coming out. And I really don't want to do too much damage on this hood because I still need some type of decent hood for right now until I buy a new hood. But yes, so I have learned my lesson. I am not doing that again until I have the proper tools. What I really want to do is just take the whole hood off, sand it down, and repaint it again. But I'm thinking about buying a brand new hood. I'm looking at a carbon fiber hood. I always want to go that style in this car, and it's time for that. But yes, this was an epic fail on my part. I know some of you in the comment section will be like, yeah, we've seen it coming. But yes, I did try it, and that's what all it counts. But on the bright side, I did get everything else done. I got my tires rotated, got my oil changed and all that, trying to get ready for the summer. And some things just don't come out planned, and it sucks. But yeah, so this comes to the very end of the video. Wait a minute, before I end this video out, I want to show you guys what I was trying to do. So I know on camera it might not show up, but in some spots it's not looking right. It's not looking right at all. And I'm just trying to figure out what did I do wrong, but I know what I did wrong. I should have went on YouTube and watched a video instead of me trying to tackle it without YouTube and reading directions. And sometimes I learned by looking instead of reading. So, like right here, these are the bad spots I was trying to get rid of. These little baby spots, I call them. If you can see that. These little baby spots I was trying to get out of here for the day. I've seen my epic fail. I know what I did wrong, and I'm kind of disappointed in myself, but things happen. Like nothing is never perfect, but we bounce back for the next video and we do something else. So yes, I'm out of here for the day, and Legit is out. Are you serious right now? Are you freaking serious right now?